brings you the future of lift trucks. Today, TRUCONNECT brings data, machines, and people together. Smart, connected lift trucks are here. With TRUCONNECT, you can optimize your lift truck operations by identifying where operator training could improve the safety and productivity of your work site. You can access information on detected issues like overheating engine and transmission, drops in tire pressure, and impacts registered on shock sensors. By monitoring your fleet, you increase uptime and improve operator awareness and responsibility. An accountable driver means less downtime and unnecessary costs for the customer. With TRUCONNECT, the customer has all the information needed for planning and building a safer work environment and more efficient operation with increased accountability. Get a clear view of your fleet's efficiency by tracking fuel consumption peaks and averages. TRUCONNECT tells you when your lift trucks are in use, idling, off-duty, or taking unnecessarily long routes. Let TRUCONNECT help you improve the productivity of your fleet significantly. TRUCONNECT allows you to make informed decisions around the use of your lift trucks based on facts. With TRUCONNECT service, you can easily monitor your entire fleet. This will not only bring more efficiency to your operations, but also lowers operating and life cycle costs. With TRUCONNECT, you can schedule fleet maintenance based on actual usage.
Driver, please drive to the service depot.
The customer portal allows you to configure customized alerts directly to the right person, avoiding unnecessary downtime. The industrial internet is here. The TRUCONNECT service gives you real data for meaningful decision-making. TRUCONNECT broadens your horizons and helps you identify opportunities you hadn't even thought of. Get ready for increased efficiency, safety, and productivity with smart, connected lift trucks.